Phylogeny and Cladistics. Phylogeny. Scientists can further classify a species based on its probable evolutionary history. A phylogeny is the evolutionary history of a species or group of species. A phylogenetic tree is a branching diagram illustrating phylogeny, the evolutionary relationships between species. This is an example of mammalian phylogeny. Monotremes, the egg-laying mammals, marsupials are the mammals that raise their fetuses in a pouch, and eutherians have placentas. Phylogenetic trees. Phylogenetic trees are used to show relatedness amongst organisms. Branches separate organisms based on traits they have in common. Biologists use two methods to place organisms on the phylogenetic tree. Morphological similarities. These are similarities in body structure and embryonic development. And the molecular similarities. These are similarities in DNA, RNA, and proteins. Phylogenetic trees are constantly changing to fit in the new information that scientists learn. How to read a phylogenetic tree. Start by locating the root. The common ancestor of all taxa shown at the bottom or left of the diagram. Phylo changes in biodiversity over the passage of time by moving upward or rightward. In this diagram, you see the root. That's the last common ancestor of the clade. Starts right here. As time goes on, or going up in this diagram, it branches out to the different groups of species we see here. This is a node where it starts to branch, and the last common ancestor for Homo sapiens and Homo neanderthalensis is right here. How to read a phylogenetic tree. At each branch point, or node, locate the common ancestor of all taxa that follow. A speciation event in that common ancestor led to the divergent branches shown below. For example, the last common ancestor of Homo sapiens, or modern humans, and H. neanderthalensis, the Neanderthals, is right here. Before that node, Homo sapiens and Homo neanderthalensis were the same species. After that, they branched off and were no longer the same species.